So this is the look I'll be teaching you today. It is a strong cat eye with chiseled cheeks and a matte red-brown lip. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Laura and I'm going to be teaching you one of the many looks for Fashion Art Toronto. Off screen I started with a wash, tone, and moisturize, so we're going to jump right in with primer. You can use any of the primers that you have. If not, that's alright, you can go right into foundation. So with my primer, I'm just going to warm it in my hands and apply, starting with the center of the face and moving outwards. Moving on to foundation. Any foundation is fine. We're just looking for a more of like a color correction, kind of smoothing the face. And you can apply with a sponge, a brush, or fingers, however you like. If you use your fingers, just remember to wash your hands beforehand. Now that we're all blended, we'll go in with a concealer. So I am kind of dark round under here, little coloration up top, and red around the nose. So I'm just going to get rid of that by dabbing a few dots of concealer. And same with foundation, you can use your fingertips, a brush, a sponge. I prefer my fingertips for concealer. It warms it up and blends a little bit better. Now that that's all blended, I'm going to take a brush and some translucent powder and seal in all the work we just did and help mattify and help everything stay throughout the day. And moving on to eyes, we're going to focus on a very strong cat eye. And to start, we're going to use very matte shadows. Excuse that. We're going to use one as an all over, something close to your skin tone, and then moving to a dark brown in the crease. And I'm going to start with an eyeshadow primer to help everything stick. And to apply the eyeshadow, we're going to use a bigger, fluffier brush to apply all over the lid. I'm just going to dab it in there. And what I like to do is, instead of sweeping across, press it in so you get more color payoff. A dark brown shade just for the crease in here to deepen the eye. Perfect. Now we're going to move on to the wing. You can use gel, pencil, a liner, like a liquid liner. I'm going to use a pen. Whatever works for you will be good. And my trick is starting with the opposite side eye. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to start with my left eye so it's easier to match on my right eye. So they're looking for a dramatic cat eye. So you're going to go a little bit farther than what you probably usually would, and you want to come in a little bit thicker on the lid there. So I'll just go and finish the other eye. So at this point, we're going to curl the lashes. If you don't have an eyelash curler, that's fine. All we're doing is looking for like a little bit of lift. And for brows, you're going to do also more of just a natural brow, just shaping them, filling them in. And for the lips, we are going to be doing a new, a red-brown lip. And I like to start off with a little bit of a gloss, just to help moisturize the lips. I'm going to take a red-brown shade and just fill in your natural lip. So this is what we have so far, and now we're going on to the cheeks. What they're looking for is something a little bit more chiseled, so we're going to go higher up on the cheekbone here.
So I'm going to start up here and then blending down. I like to start with a smaller brush and then using a bigger brush to buff it out.
So this is the finished look for today.